should I do a parasite cleanse? A gut and parasite cleanse could be of great benefit to you if you have any of the following issues like parasites, candida, diarrhea, constipation, bloating, flatulence, leaky gut, nausea and vomiting, blood and mucus in the stool, loose and smelly stools, definitely foggy brain and fatigue and lethargy, poor appetite, weight loss, abdominal pain, cravings or weight gain, or any other unexplainable symptoms. Parasites are really unavoidable and are exacerbated by the toxic overload of modern life. It's not a matter of hygiene anymore. You could be simply sharing a yoga mat or going shopping and you can get them. Even just eating some salad out of your own garden or walking in the park can cause you to have parasites. Parasites are part of life, and if you're very healthy, your body will deal with them naturally. But if you're not in perfect health, then parasites can cause an extra burden on your body. So if you have symptoms of parasites, I do recommend a 6 to 8 week treatment regime with a maintenance program until simply you're better. Now, if you don't have any symptoms, we do still suggest an annual treatment simply to help reduce the burden that these critters can inflict on your body. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to our channel underneath this video. And whatever you do, have a fabulous day and stay healthy.